Hey guys, we just finished recording the Darvin Dance. Now it's your chance to join in on the fun. All right guys, let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is a heel kick, heel kick, heel kick, heel kick. From there, you're gonna clap 4 times anywhere you like. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna go back to your heel kick, heel kick, heel kick, heel kick, heel kick. You just did the kick, kick, kick. From here, you're gonna go star together, turn together, kick and step, knees, and throw it away. You just finished your throwing it away. You're gonna roll 4 times anywhere you like. Roll, 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 roll. You're gonna step and swing, step and swing, step and swing, step and swing. From there, you're gonna groove. Groove and jump and hit and hit. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna move in towards each other, yeah? We're gonna go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You wanna step out, turn it in, grab hands at 2, drop it down, and dip. Now don't forget, record your moves, post it, and tag us with the hashtag DarvinDanceOff, and be sure to check out our website, darvin.com, for details.